This is the bone of my dinosaur bone, and I'm leading it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, no one, A, B, C. And we are leading it. I show you. Once upon a time, there's a bone over the bone, and bone is eating it. And bone is the dinosaur. And the elephant was sticking it. And elephant was its dinosaur bone. It's eating to my dinosaur. And dinosaur say, and zebra is saying the zebra. And once upon a time, there's my dinosaur. There's the dinosaur or the dino. Now it's your turn, Didi. Mine is finished now.
Whose bones?
Who is bones?
Take a look at these bones. It's a bone of a dinosaur.
Whoa! Cool. This is the dinosaur tail, like wiggly tail.
And look at this is a skeleton of a human. Whose bones are these? These are human bones, like yours. Let's find some of your bones. Touch your soft belly. Is that a bone? Nope. Now touch your hard rib. That is a bone. Every bone has its own special name. Altogether, your bones make you a skeleton. Head bones, skull, a skeleton. Neck bones, vertebrae, ribs, backbones, spine, finger bones, leg bones, and these are your feet. Bones are next. Let's see. Whose bones are these? Who am I? My skeleton starts with my head, so does yours. The bones in my head make my skull. My hard skull protects my soft brain. Thanks, skull. I swim the ocean with my long flippers. Thick blubber helps my enormous body float. I am not a penguin. Can you guess? Open, open, open. I'm a blue whale. My skull is so big I could eat. I pick up trick, but I don't. Instead, I open my mouth wide to eat tiny sea creatures. Open your mouth wide and take an imaginary bite. Let's guess some more. Whose bones are these? Neck bones, vertebrae. I have a very long neck. It's longer than your entire body. The bones in my neck are called vertebrae. Vertebrae help me look up and down. I live in the African savanna where it is hot, hot, hot. My legs and tongue are long too. I am not an ostrich. What? Who am I? Can you guess? Open, 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 open. I'm a small giraffe. It's a giraffe! A giraffe! Long vertebrae in my neck help me reach the leaves at the top of the tree. Use your vertebrae to roll your head around and around and around. Feels good. Whose bones are next? I have a simple skeleton with a really long back. The bones in my back make my spine. My spine lets me bend and curve. Aha! Feels nice. I slither through leaves, dirt and grass. Where are my legs? I don't have any. I am not a caterpillar. Who am I? Can you guess, Gyati? Can you guess, everyone? Yes! So, I think it's a snake.
Snake, do it.
Let's see if we are right. Open, open, open. We are right. It's a python. But pythons are snakes.
Yes, python. Python is sick.
I am a reticulated python.
Python.
All these span bones make me very flexible. I wiggle my spine to get from one place to the other. Wiggle your spine into the shape of a C. Nicely done. Whose bones are next?
Going.
Whose bones are these? Finger bones. I have 4 fingers and a thumb, just like you, but mine are inside wings. I bend my finger bones to swoop this way and that. I snooze all day and fly at night. I sleep upside down, snuggled with my family. I am not a pterodactyl. Who am I? Can you guys guess? Can you guess, Gyati?
Yes, I can do that.
I think it's a bat. Let's see if we're right. Oh, I'm right! It is a bat!
Yes, it is that bad. That's right, that's right. That's right, that's right. And great thumbs up in my storybook is that's right. That is perfect. My storybook is better.
Gyati, we are still reading the book.
Oh.
My long thin bones give my wings their special shape. This lets me dive and tumble just like an acrobat. Use your fingers to tickle your toes. Whose bones are next? Let's see. Whose bones are these? My big leg bones are heavy. They are heavier than you. They are strong too. They help me stand for hours and hours, even while I sleep. Snore! I use my trunk to eat lots and lots of grass. My body is curved and thick, wrinkly skin. I am not a hippopotamus. Who am I? Guys, can you guess? Gyati, can you guess?
Yes, it is.
It looks like a mammoth, but it's actually not. Maybe I think it's an elephant. Let's see if we are right. Open, 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 open. Uh-oh, there's a surprise in here. Hoopala! There is an African bush elephant. I was right. I love my body, my swinging tail, flapping ears, and powerful legs. These legs help me trot and swim, but I can't hop. Can you show me whose bones are next? Oh, there's also a little baby elephant. Plop. This is the last page. Whose bones are these? Finger bones, neck bones, vertebrae, head bones, skull, backbones, spine, ribs, leg bones. Who am I? My skeleton is a lot like yours, but my arms and fingers and toes are much longer. This makes me an expert tree climber. Here I go. I'm covered in thick brown and black fur. I swing from tree to tree to find tasty fruit. I am not a human. Who am I? Can you guys guess it? Can Gyati guess it?
Yes, I did.
Is it a monkey? Yes, I think it's a monkey. Open, open. Uh-oh, I got another surprise in here. Yeah! It is a monkey. But this monkey is called a chimpanzee.
And a baby monkey.
Baby monkey? Where is the baby monkey?
This is the baby monkey.
And this is the baby monkey. And this is the baby monkey. And this is the mommy monkey.
And this is the daddy monkey.
Yes, my bones are a lot like yours.
Oh dear.
The bones in my skull help me eat breakfast. Chomp. My neck bones help me peek over my shoulders. Hello. The bones in my spine let me reach up high. My finger bones help me play tag and crack open nuts. Yum! The bones in my legs and feet help me get to where I want to go. See you later. I like these bones. I like these bones, don't you? And this is the end of the Bones book. Have you ever seen a skeleton?
That does look like my book today.
Let's do a bit of talking and then we are done with this video.
Of course, we will do that. Of course.
Which one is your favorite skeleton? My favorite one is the elephant. And which one is your favorite, Gyati?
Mine is favorite the dinosaur.
There's no dinosaur on this.
It is dinosaur.
Instead, why don't you choose the python? Come back here, Gyati.
I'm getting you.
Oh, actually, you're right. There is a dinosaur here.
Yes, I like it. Yes, it is you. Yeah. It's the dinosaur.
If you choose the dinosaur, then I choose the dinosaur.
You choose the dinosaur. was fun. This kidding you.
Which one is your favorite? Our favorite was the dinosaur. If you like the video, then like, share, and subscribe, and great thumbs up. And if you like MNG, then subscribe. Bye!
I like the book. Glitter, tough, class.